This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite ETFs. It's TQQQ. Now this is basically for the Nasdaq, so this has all that good stuff in there. So if you're trading that Mag 7, this is an easy way to trade that. Well, actually right now it's Mag 6.5 because Tesla has been a really good short here for many weeks here now. So Tesla is kind of like taken out of it. So I got Mag 6.5. But this has a lot of really good stuff in here. Plus, it pays a 1.2% dividend. So we're going to take a look here on the charts today and see how it looks. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell a stock, market ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have TQQQ. Now, the key level here is what we have to look at is this 5201, all right, the price channel, because that is your breakout. What we want to do, though, first of all, for support is we want to look at these gaps. All right, so on the bottom of this gap here, you're looking at 5210. That's the gap. The top of that candle is 5172. So there's your gap. There's your fill. Then we have, look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 5011. And then we looked at the top of this candle at 4959. So you got two gaps and two fills right there. But the key level, what you want to look at here, is this 5057. That is your 8-day. And we want to look here at your 4975. That is your key 21-day. Now, again, if that is lost, you want to look to the bottom of this candle here because that was your bottoming tail at 47.87. And then if that's lost, here we come over here to your 50-day at 46.41. And then we have your price channel going on at 45.47. So that is your basically your downside here on your daily chart. Now, on the upside here, well, what we want to look is at this 5201. That needs to hold on a closing basis. If we can get above that, then we just come to the left here on this candle. So basically what you're looking at is 53.41. Then we'll look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 57.56. We come to this candle at 61.55. And then on this candle right here, you're looking at 62.96, which takes that price channel. Now, again, if we keep following these candles all on up, we come to this candle here, you're looking at 65.37 here. We look on there, you're looking at 69.72. And then we can just follow the candles all the way up 77.97. And then we start getting into this really tight range right here, which is going to be your 85.95, and then you can climb all the way up to 91.68. Now you can see where this has come from. So today here we have 53.53. This came all the way in here from 16.10. So this was a very good long trade. Now I got in there at 16.50, and I rode it all the way on out here until we had this candle right here it was. So that was that basically 50, what was it, 50, maybe around 51 area is where I sold. Now I rebought it back on this candle because we had a bottoming tail here. So it's at 47.87. I got in at 48 and I'm still riding it higher. Now all the tech earnings are going to be coming out here very shortly. I think they're going to be really good numbers. I really think it's going to be numbers which could rip this much higher. So always look to the left of the chart here to see exactly where it goes. So your big one you want to look at is the top of this candle, and that is going to be that 62.96. So that could give you almost about another 10 points up here with very easy, and then we could just ride it right on up. Very nice. So really technology, I still think is, we had a really good boom in technology last year, but I think it continues. It really just kind of runs the world. So bottom line here, what you want to do here on the downside is just watch these gaps in this fill, watch this key price channel, that 5201 on a closing basis. And then if that's lost, we have that 8 SMA here. We have the 21 SMA, and then you want to look at the bottom of this candle. That is going to be very crucial at 47.87. And then you could come down to your 50-day. But you can see where the price now is above your 200-day, your 100, your 50, your 21, your 8. Everything is just flowing from the left corner to the right, and that's exactly what you want. So this looks like it's just breaking right on out because you put in a long base here, and now she's just breaking right on out here very nicely. And then again, we know where it's going to eventually go. So if you're interested in trading the Mag 7 and you don't want to buy each individual stocks like an NVIDIA or Microsoft or Meta, this is an easy way to trade the whole 9 yards, get it all in, and it does pay a 1.2% dividend. All right, that's what I got for you on the old TQQ. Thanks for watching.